Metal, I guess? Okay. Jelly. Should see this smart splitter. What am I looking at? Okay. Left greater than 30, right less than or equal to 30. The balance. That's actually absurdly smart. Holy, and then you don't have to do any balancing math when with the output. Although, if they all output on the same side, then why would you even bother doing that? Then it's always just going to be half. Oh, wait, no. It makes it so that there's always an amount on the belt. I see. Because it also takes. And I'm sure these are set to only take, oh, they're not actually set to spoiled priority. Interesting. I guess you wouldn't need to. They'd last long enough. Funky. Efficiency modules is interesting. I guess power's not that great here. Yeah, there's efficiency modules on everything. Well, a lot of things, anyways. Hmm. Has both a nuclear reactor and towers burning rocket fuel. Less nutrient use. Wait, then why do you have... What, just for spores? Oh, yeah, obviously. Yeah, these don't use power. Wait, but then why do these have efficiency modules? Well, less nutrient usage, sure, but like, what about these ones? Those were there from when power was crap. Okay, all right, fair enough. I mean, they're full anyways. It's not like you need to. It's not like you need to fix that. Wonky. Cool. Let's check out the platforms then. We have Science Star. It's not much of a star, I suppose. Child Incinerator, a viable solution. Interesting. That's our base. Check the new ship from Blue. I'll go through all the ships. So yeah, this is just for... It's for science, I suppose. Is it just for, like, exclusively for science? Seems to be, yeah. Although there's calcite on here, too. Are you making calcite somewhere? Yes, you are, right there. I see. Knucklebee is the new one. I will look at all of them. Getting agoraphobia, seeing all those spread out bases after watching the opposite of for a few hours. Yeah, that is complete opposite of my playstyle. It's actually insane. I only now realize the plushies are science. Yes, indeed. Patchouli. I'm sure someone's using the a different Fumo skin than I am. It's just green Fumo for me. What am I looking at here? Oh, okay. I see. It's to go back and forth. Do y'all just hate walls or something? I thought this was stationary because it didn't have walls, but fair enough, I guess. The Traveler. It's a same ship, I guess. Pasted down. Interesting. This one is for... I just never use walls. I guess that's fair. Foundries and big mining rigs, I guess? Looks like it was used for a bunch of different things. I don't know a single person that has walls on the ship. Me. Walls are for a state of mind where you admit to the possibility of being hit, I suppose. Volcanus. Okay. Knuckle Bee. This one has a skull, I guess, on it, interestingly. Very quality, holy. Need quality storage things? What? Wait, did you? I think, right? Yeah, epic. What the heck? Sure. Let's say ammo positive, just waiting to build back up before leaving. I don't know. This one exists... Oh, it's probably not in use anymore, I guess? Because it doesn't have a route, so I guess it's just not used. Ventura. Okay, so it's set to request and then wait until it's full on ammo and fuel. New ship it hasn't used it yet. It's probably going to go to Aquilo. I see. Free starter ship. Okay. Just for funsies. Mine Tech Industries. Wait, what was the one you were telling me to look at? Knucklebee's the new one. Oh, this one. This is the one that he made? This thing goes insanely fast? Wild, I wouldn't have been able to know just glancing at it. Mr. Streamer, what makes a ship slower? Space platforms or width? As far as I understand, width. Epic thrusters. Ah! Yes, I love epically thrusting. Mine Tech Industries. This one has walls. It's for fun, I guess. This seems to be making ore? For why? Also does production fumos. Picks up production fumos. From Volcanus. Interesting. I'm epically thrusting your mom. Okay. Pretty cool. And there's Coal Creator. Is this one using lasers? So you don't have to make ammo, I guess. It creates coal and it is sitting in Volcanus' atmosphere. Alright. Just for coal, I guess. Fair enough. It has energy to spare. Alright. Yeah, fair enough. And calcite. Alright. Not much calcite, I suppose. Hmm. How much longer are you trying to stream for? I mean, I probably should have ended stream around half an hour ago. Because we're over 12 hours on the stream now, so I'm gonna have to upload the flippin' second part of the stream manually, annoyingly, later on. Um, and now that we're doing that, the second part is gonna be like 20 minutes. So now it kind of feels wrong to end stream. Bit of an unhappy medium, I guess, between the others. Hmm. I don't know. Just cut it sooner, do like 8 hours or 4 hours. The way that I do it, so YouTube automatically trims it to like 11:55 or something like that. I forget the exact number. Doesn't really matter. And then Twitch, when you export it to YouTube, also cuts it right around that same point. So I just export it to YouTube and then only upload the second part from Twitch. Just do a 24-hour stream, duh. I'm so tired. I don't really know what else to do. That's an interesting workaround? Yeah, it is. It saves me a lot of time because editing videos takes forever. Like, genuinely forever. I don't even have a bad PC. It's just like, what the heck, man? Do a sleeping stream. Not a chance. Like, when because what the card is it called? It's the one that Lane uses. Um, where is it? I'm gonna find it on my desktop. Where did it go? Where did it go? Wait, is it? Oh, it might be a global shortcut. Oh gosh, it's not gonna show up then. I can't close the game. DaVinci, yeah, DaVinci Resolve. I use DaVinci Resolve, but like whenever I go to export the video, so I can upload it to YouTube, it takes like an entire day to create the file, and then uploading it takes like 2 days, which is just so dumb. You know the requirements for Twitch partner or whatever the one better than affiliate is? Way higher than I can think about getting, that's for sure. I think you need like it's a magnitude greater than it is for affiliate. I know that much. Partner comes with a lot of caveats too, so I'd have to look into it more before I even considered wanting to do it. I think they don't force you to they don't force you to be exclusive on there anymore, I don't think, but still. There's a save game button, that's funny. I can look at your rendering settings if you want. I can tell you if it's excessive. Uh, Screw it. Fine. Sure. Gives me something to do to pad out the time, right? Okay, where's the DaVinci Resolve shortcut on my desktop? Where's this thing? I think that lets you save the server save to your PC. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. Here it is, DaVinci Resolve. It's gonna be really cool when, I don't know, some random bullcrap shows up in DaVinci Resolve that, like, either doxes me or some else. An update, I'm just not gonna do that right now. I guess I'm gonna just create a random project. Don't know why it doesn't just let me go to the settings normally. Uh, yeah, does that work? It's not a game. Is it gonna work with game capture? Hmm. It seems to be throwing a fit. I'm just gonna do general window then. There you go. Look, it's DaVinci Resolve. I haven't really customized any settings or anything, to be fair. Will you ever be doing a Monofactory playthrough? What is Monofactory? Don't see anything, Mr. Streamer. Oh, sorry. I was on the BRB screen for some stupid reason. Good job, me. I will do that. There we go. That's better. There is DaVinci Resolve. Now that's Resolve. Here it is. I don't know. What am I supposed to be doing? If you don't change the rendering settings, it does like some overkill stuff that takes forever. Okay. So do I, what, preferences? Is that what I'm doing right now? You can't even see the preferences window. That's actually really cool. Go to, what, deliverer? What am I, what? Huh? Go to deliver? Deliver. Oh, here we go, deliver. Sorry, what is deliver? Encoding profile? Is this an exporter? I've never used this before. Deliver is where you set render options. Huh. I just usually go to file export. I forget what I forget what I do. I don't know, man. Maybe save file as or something. I don't know. It's an exporter. I did not know that. Okay. That's nice to know. Uh, well. Well, what would you suggest, oh wise one? There's a YouTube preset. I don't usually use that one. I usually use H.265. I, I don't know if those are the same ones that I look at normally. Where do I normally go for it? Save project as? No, that's not it. Um, export project, maybe? No, I think I just go to, I think it's export timeline or something. File, wait, no, maybe not? I forget what I did. H.265? What's wrong with H.265? I don't have AV1 encoding, so, I mean, it just kind of seemed like the best thing. All the homies use H.264. For why? Any particular reason? Because the homies. What do you mean? Isn't H.265 slightly better? You should use the YouTube preset if you want H.265. Just take a screenshot of the YouTube preset and do the same on H.265. Well, I mean, there's an option here to change it to H.265 within the YouTube preset. So just use YouTube preset? Is that what you're saying? What am I giving up here? Because you said that it does a bunch of unnecessary things, but what do you mean by unnecessary things? Like if I was to do H.265 master, like what's the difference between, like I don't even know if this is the one I normally use. Bitrate? It's lower bitrate. Where do I see the default is for film, so super high bitrate. I mean, my main concern is that YouTube chunks it down anyways. So it's usually better to give it a better input or something. I don't know. But okay, so where's the setting for that? Audio encoding profile? It's already set to, I mean, this is YouTube and it says high. Okay, what does this one say? Timeline resolution, that's normal. Format? What? The default is, what's the same? The same. What? Oh boy. It's the encoding profile and the quality setting mainly. Okay, so this one's set to just main quality best. Interesting. Well, I was kind of hoping for concrete numbers, like high at most. Okay, and YouTube sets quality to doesn't even give you the option. I guess that kind of makes sense. Well, it's a professional piece of software, so I kind of expect them to match it to the exact number that you're supposed to have, right? So maybe I probably should just use the YouTube preset. I mean, they know what they're doing. I mean, who am I to question their decisions? Wild. No exact number because it uses variable bit rate. I guess that makes sense, but is there like but I'd assume there's an upper limit, right? Because if the idea is that you don't want it squashed down by YouTube, or you're getting to just below that or just at that so that you save time anyways, and there should be an upper. Upper limit is defined by an algorithm based on the video itself. Okay. Yeah, but high is that's qualitative. Is that the right word? I don't know. But anyways, it means nothing to me. That's what I'm trying to say. Like I don't know what high looks like. I don't know what low looks like, you know? I guess it's just cuz I'm not a flippin' professional, so you just kind of get a feel for this. But it's yeah, fun. High looks exactly the same as best but is lighter. Lighter? Sorry, lighter? What? I assume you don't mean like color wise. You probably mean lighter as in, yeah, file size. Exactly the same when uploaded to YouTube, maybe. I mean, there's got to be a trade off. Lighter workload. I don't know. All right. Well, I mean, I don't really have anything to test. I guess I could pull up one of my previous projects. Factorio cut. Yeah. Okay. Here's this one. Oh, this is the 33-hour one. This was specifically this one is not the 33-hour one to be fair, because I was cutting it down. This is part three. This is part three of the 33-hour stream. Exactly the same for human vision. The trade-off is the file is worse for working inside of an editor. I see. And you aren't editing the files after exporting them, so no trade-off. I guess that's fair, yeah. Is there like an estimation for time of completion or something? Because I kind of just want to know. I just wanted to see the difference. Add to render queue. Add to render queue. Needs to run for a bit to estimate. Huh. I don't really know if I have enough space, honestly. I'm running out of storage space on my computer. Okay. Mm. YouTube preset is exactly the minimum quality needed for YouTube not to screw it up. I've tested it personally. All right, yeah, I'll trust your opinion about it. I mean, realistically speaking, it's probably going to take too long to get the time differences between the two. That's good to know. If I keep doing the Twitch trick, realistically speaking, I'm probably not even going to need to do that in the first place, especially since I don't record the streams while doing them. So I don't really think I get a quality increase from downloading it from Twitch and then uploading it to YouTube rather than just moving it over to YouTube. So I'll probably just do that. All right. Well, I don't know. I don't really have anything else to to do. I gotta go to bed. And I mean, as much as I hate having it so that the second part of the stream is like 35 minutes long. I guess it's sort of a benefit because it basically just contains the stuff with the community server and a bit of DaVinci Resolve. Well, now you know. I appreciate it for sure. Yeah, 100%. 100%. If I ever need to do that again, which I will because I still need to edit that one clip that Loon made of me trying to escape the Subnautica crash thing or whatever the crud. I still haven't edited that down into a short, so I'm gonna need to use it eventually. But yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out at some point. We'll see. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Thanks to the stream, it was fun seeing the ravaging of Red Rocket. Yeah, it's slowly getting fixed. It's slowly. Oh, there's actually. I mean, there's really only one left thing to do, really. Aware that when you change formats or codec, the settings reset. Interesting. Okay. I guess that's probably because they have different settings per. I guess that kind of makes sense. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's it, really. I hate to end it off with a black screen, but I guess we're gonna do that. Launching the game just to get music would be a bit too long. So, thank you for joining me. I suppose I'm gonna take a shower and then go to bed. I'm very tired. But good night, goodbye. Have a good one. See ya. So awkward without music. Go to sleep. I will. Bye. Bye bye. See you. Oh, actually, as I suppose as like a random anime update, I started watching Classroom of the Elite again. Just got to commit to hitting the end stream button. I like to have like 20 to 30 seconds after I say goodbye at the end, just in case someone says bye, so it actually shows up on stream. Because there's like a delay. Yeah, I really should. Anyways, I don't know if I finished the sentence or not. I started watching Classroom of the Elite again. It's pretty darn good. I'm on like episode 4 or 5. I just thought I'd randomly mention that. Anyways, bye. And you keep engaging, nullifying that. I mean, to be fair, I'm not large enough to the point where it really matters if I engage with another bit of dialogue. And plus, I'd like to, you know? I'll sacrifice sleep for a good conversation. Anyways, goodbye. See you tomorrow, actually. We're probably going to do Factorio again. Goodbye. Woo. All right, see ya.